Good morning. It is December 5th, my niece's birthday. She is 14 today, so happy birthday, Alyssa, if you're watching. Yes, we're on our way to Oakland and going to Emeryville to IKEA. We need photo frame for the bathroom and mainly at least hangers. And plus we're gonna have breakfast over there too, or lunch, but depending what time it is by then. Here's the HUBS. The stupid flannel, like usual. I think he thinks he's gonna go cut trees or something for Christmas, but you know, what can I do?
Side jobs.
That's the only thing he likes, flannels. So yeah. It's super sunny. It's still kind of cold. What's outside right now? 53. 53 outside. Hey, I got out of the house before 10. That's pretty good.
That is pretty good, actually.
And we're on the road.
Never.
Really? So, yeah, and there's traffic. That's awesome. That's just exactly what we wanted, traffic. Okay, all this traffic we're gonna go into, and I'm hoping it's just from the merging, but I think it might be just the actual traffic. Yeah, morning honks. Isn't that great? That douchebag cut in last minute, that's why. How was your meal? How was your meal?
Pretty good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. IKEA Run. So, we're getting ideas right now.
It's hella smart.
Yeah, but it costs more money to do.
I don't think it would cost more than $3,000.
That's what you think. What is this? Wrapping paper holder? That's cool.
Still be enough for your room.
Ow. Should. Let's go. Here we are, IKEA. Moving on for ideas.
She can still fairly sit on.
That's not to sit on.
No.
There's nothing in this room I like.
Cubbies for you?
For what? They look like locker cubbies. I don't want locker feel for her room. No, I want cuter hooks. For the set, $30.
This feels harder.
Exactly. This should be in like freaking.
Yeah, hella luxurious. I want something like this.
That's $60 only. It's not bad.
Yeah, but it feels like crap.
Oh, it does?
It doesn't feel like crap, but it doesn't feel like, you know.
Oh, it does feel like crap. Ooh.
Just. But yeah, chill on my couch.
First, we need a couch like that. Eventually, I do want to switch out that little couch to like a leather one that matches the chair. But I wanted that size though. If anything, we can always get rid of the leg one and just have a chair, regular. Why? What do you say about the car seat?
You never responded.
Oh. I want a fridge like this.
Sure.
Two doors and get everything. Like, you know, I haven't seen anything that does this. It also has the water.
It does.
I haven't seen it.
They're $3,000. I have usually like Samsung.
I want to get baskets to put our stuff. Not to drag out, but like just the baskets so we can pull it out. Because I feel like I can't reach the basket. Even though I can see what's back there, I can't really grab it.
I don't know.
We won't play someday, huh?
The smaller one would be really good.
No, I want like a basket. You know what I mean? Like a basket. So then it'll fit. I want to get some of those baskets for our snacks. They really did. It's so tiny over here. Like there's no room to walk. Long ass line. How you feel about the long line here?
That's how I feel.
Hey guys. We're at Best Buy now, parking lot. We just went to Target, returned some things because I bought some ornaments that are way too big for our tree. Our tree is tiny. We're probably gonna get a new tree, to be honest. Now, Jules is returning the little adapter that he got me on Black Friday for my laptop that we purchased, because I finally got a new laptop now. I can finally edit videos in the living room, on the couch, versus sitting at the iMac desktop the whole time, because he likes me spending time with him on the couch when it's late at night watching a movie, and I can't do that if I'm trying to edit, and as well as I'm at the computer desk. It's like, yeah, Eva, you can edit later, but like I'm trying to do this Vlogmas, you know, I'm trying to get a video up every day until Christmas. I'm trying to catch up on all the old vlogs and edit those out first and put them up, so then I can get up to Christmas vlogs, which is now, or in December. I think after here we're gonna head back to pick up Illy from school. After we pick up Illy from school, I believe we're gonna go head home, to be honest. But I had a good breakfast with Jules. We went to this place called Montclair Egg. Montclair Egg? Yeah, it's in Montclair. It's pretty hot out here in Oakland. I had to take off my shawl because I was getting so hot. So, I'm excited to give Jules his Christmas gift and see if he likes it. Because it's something that he kind of wants, but like at the same time, it's not what he usually gets. So I'm surprised. So I'm really surprised to if he likes it or not. I believe all the gifts I got, like I said, I got Joe something that he will, I hope he likes. He wanted for a while. It's a different, unique color, so that's the only thing. But then again, he likes loud colors, so I'm assuming he will like it, or he better, because it was expensive. I did get him something small, because we usually do that. We get him something small to throw him off, and then get him the real gift. Get them the real gift. So my battery died. Thankfully, I brought a spare, so we're good to go. Because I bought hella spares on Amazon, because I had a feeling that I'll be vlogging more for Vlogmas, and I need backup batteries. I can't just wait for it to die. Just waiting for Jules. Someone's car alarm going off. I will vlog you guys once I get Illy. I need a chop chop beat, boy.